Hey guys, this is Ralph with NTC. Today we're going to be showcasing the new Uniview ultra-wide camera. We're going to be doing an unboxing. So this camera is great for being used in wide-angle environments where you need to capture parking lot, a large corridor, stadium, things of that nature. Features an outdoor IP67 weather rating and an IK10 impact rating. So if you look at the camera, we've got a single lens. And it has built-in smart illumination. It's in a turret style. So you can unscrew this little X bolt and you're able to maneuver the camera wherever you need. It fits in very tight, hard to reach areas. So under an eaves or in the corner of a house. It gives you two options for power. So you can use either a 12 volt input or standard PoE 48 volt. And features 5 megapixels. So with that, you can capture up to 100 feet of infrared range and capture 0.3 lux in low light illumination.